Okay, so this is just crazy to me. I'm in this place called Long Lake in Everglades National Park, and so I was just kayaking down that way, and I noticed something right there. Probably don't see it very well, but that is a Burmese python. This is, I think, brackish water. There are some bird nests nearby, I'm assuming. I mean, I'm not looking at them, but I know there's a spot nearby that's known for nesting wading birds. And let me see if I can find it. There it is. Very difficult to see. I'll attach a photo to this, but that's a Burmese python. I got all excited thinking that it was a really rare turtle called a diamondback terrapin that's endangered, and of course it's a python. So I guess they just work their way around here until they find a rookery with all these wading bird nests, and that's where they sneak in and eat them. That's what I've heard. I'm gonna try to get a little closer. This one doesn't look that big. Oh, it just went under. Damn it.
So I lost sight of that python, but a little bit later, paddling down that same long lake, I ran into another toothy friend, a toothy reptile here in the Everglades. So this is an American crocodile, not an alligator, but a crocodile. And these are found in areas that have more salt water and brackish water, areas with mangroves. And if you notice, I got a photo with my DSLR camera as well. There's something on the eye of this crocodile. You have to look very carefully. And if you do, you'll notice this little green and blue insect. It's a damselfly called a Ramber's forktail. I have a couple more photos to show you here, but if you didn't already watch the video that I posted with the terns diving from the same trip, I think you'll like that one as well. So I'll include the link. And thanks so much for watching my video. I will see you next time.